You think your shiny new car with all those smart features is going to last? Think again. Most of the so-called upgrades they push on you are actually slow-motion disasters waiting to explode your bank account. If your vehicle has even one of the 13 features I'm breaking down today, it's not a question of if it'll bite you, it's when and how much it's going to hurt. We're talking engine-killing gremlins, constant anxiety, and repair bills that can hit $1,000 a pop. And the absolute worst one, it'll cost you $1,000 for every single dollar it claims to save. Stick with me, by the end of this you'll know exactly which buttons to never touch again. Let's dive in. Feature number 13, automatic start-stop systems. They market this as a brilliant eco-friendly hack that saves you money at the pump. The reality? It quietly drains your wallet and stresses your car in ways most owners never see coming. Every time it kills the engine at a light and fires it back up, your battery and starter take a beating. Manufacturers try to fight this with bigger, more expensive deep-cycle batteries, sometimes even dual setups and reinforced starters. Translation: you're now paying double or triple for replacements that fail sooner anyway. Then there's the thermal cycling and extra wear on the engine itself. It might not grenade overnight, but push your oil changes past 5,000 miles and you're rolling the dice on a 5-figure engine rebuild. And don't get me started on the safety side. Getting rear-ended because your car hesitated to restart is a real story I've heard way too many times. All that for maybe $25 a year in gas savings. Hard pass. Disable this the second you get in the car. Trust me, your vehicle will thank you. Now, the next one might be even more dangerous to your peace of mind and your credit score. Feature number 12, auto parking assist. Recent surveys show remote and automated parking systems are among the least trusted driver aids out there, and for good reason. It feels like handing the wheel to a nervous intern. Sure, in a wide-open, perfectly marked spot it can look impressive, but who actually needs help parking when conditions are ideal? In the real world, it's slow, frustrating, and backs up traffic while everyone behind you wonders what you're doing. The real trouble is the sensors and cameras. They get fooled by shadows, pedestrians, poor markings, or even a bit of glare. In tight bay parking, if you don't stay glued to that brake pedal, you risk kissing the car next to you, or worse. One wrong move and your insurance rates take the hit. Bottom line, spend that money on actually sharpening your own parking skills. It's cheaper and far more reliable in the long run. Feature number 11, lane keep assist. They call it a lifesaver that cuts crashes by double digits. In practice, it's just as likely to steer you into trouble as it is to save you. This system is a fragile web of cameras, radars, steering motors, and computers. When any single piece gets dirty, confused, or fails, the whole thing can go haywire. A dirty windshield with a few bugs or some sun glare, system offline. Cracked glass, get ready for a $1,000 special windshield plus recalibration instead of a normal $300 one. It also hates potholes, shadows, cyclists, and twisty roads. Use it on a narrow or winding stretch and you're begging for a head-on. Bottom line, treat lane keep assist like a suggestion, not a co-pilot. Feature number 10, adaptive cruise control. After decades of development, adaptive cruise still isn't bulletproof. It's better than old-school cruise, but the moment conditions get tricky, it loves to bail on you. Sensors hide behind your front emblem where bugs and road grime love to collect. The windshield camera hates dirt, glare, fog, or rain. A minor fender bender that used to cost a few hundred can now run thousands because of the radar unit alone. In city traffic, it gets spooked by parked cars, bikes, and people cutting in. Yes, it can save some fuel on the highway, around 14% in ideal conditions, but there are smarter, safer ways to save gas that won't risk expensive repairs. I'll drop a link to my fuel-saving secrets video in the description. For now, let's talk about a feature that can get people seriously hurt. Feature number 9, blind spot monitoring. In perfect conditions, it sounds amazing. Reality? It misses motorcycles, bicycles, and stationary objects like guardrails or parked cars way too often. Add rain, mud, or a minor bumper tap and the sensors in those rear corners go blind or start lying to you. A simple curb kiss that doesn't even leave a mark can knock calibration out, forcing you to the dealer for $500 3000 in fixes. When it fails to warn you about a biker or suddenly screams about ghosts, it creates exactly the danger it was supposed to prevent. Treat your mirrors like your primary defense and use BSM only as backup. Feature number 8, TPMS Reset Reminders. That tire pressure light is serious. When it's actually accurate, it triples your crash risk. The problem is it stays on so often that drivers ignore it completely. Sensors in every tire, yes, including the spare, lose pressure or die, and most cars need a manual reset or scan tool after rotations or inflation. One dead sensor battery or neglected spare and that light lives on your dash permanently. Replacements run $200 each. Skip the drama, grab a $10 digital gauge and check your tires monthly yourself. It's faster, cheaper, and actually keeps you safer. Feature number 7, Keyless Entry Auto Unlock. Car theft is surging again, and this convenience feature is a thief's best friend. As you walk up, it unlocks automatically, walk away and it locks eventually. Those constant RFID signals are easy to relay and clone with cheap devices. Thieves can be inside in under 30 seconds. Even without fancy gear, the delay before autolock gives smash and grab artists plenty of time. If you live in a high-crime area, this feature is an open invitation. Consider disabling the auto unlock or using a Faraday pouch for your fob. Feature number 6, Automatic High Beam. Most factory headlights are already mediocre at best. Auto high beams were supposed to help, but they create new problems. The windshield camera gets blocked by dirt, bugs, rain, fog, or ice. On twisty roads, it often fails to dim, blinding oncoming drivers and earning you angry flashes or worse. Disabling it mid-drive can be clumsy and distracting. The repair when the camera fails? Easily $1,000. Leave this one off permanently and control your lights manually. Feature number 5, Panoramic Sunroofs. Nothing ruins your day like water pouring into your cabin. Panoramic roofs are notorious for eventual leaks because the big glass panels flex, seals degrade, and drain tubes clog with leaves and debris. I've seen entire electrical systems destroyed and cars totaled from sunroof leaks. Motor and track repairs run $1,000 not counting mold remediation. That's especially dangerous for kids and pets. Unless it comes with a bulletproof lifetime warranty, I'd pass. Feature number 4, Automatic Climate Control. Set it once and forget it sounds perfect until a single sensor or blend door actuator dies and the whole system quits. Repairs can hit $800 $500 quickly. In freezing weather, you're still shivering while it slowly figures things out, and the multiple modes and menus feel more confusing than helpful. When paired with the next feature, the headaches multiply. Feature number 3, Complex Infotainment and Instrument Clusters. Almost every major manufacturer has recalled vehicles recently for infotainment or gauge cluster failures. When everything, climate, navigation, radio, vehicle settings, runs through one giant touchscreen, one glitch takes it all down. A full replacement can hit $7,000. Even scarier are the clusters that go blank or show wrong speeds while you're driving. These aren't minor annoyances, they're safety hazards. Feature number 2, Eco Mode. It promises big fuel and emissions savings by dulling throttle response, cutting AC, and shifting early. Real-world tests show it barely moves the needle on mileage. What it does do is force you to mash the pedal harder, causing engine lugging that murders bearings, builds carbon, and hurts turbos. In automatics, it beats up the transmission and torque converter. CVT owners, you're playing with fire. Skip Eco Mode entirely unless you enjoy $4,000 to $8,000 engine or transmission repairs down the road. Feature number 1, Over-the-air software updates. Car makers love OTA updates because they fix issues cheaply on their end. Owners, not so much. Updates can brick systems, freeze critical safety features, or fail to actually solve the problem. Recent recalls for cameras and airbags showed drivers stuck towing vehicles after failed OTA attempts. When safety systems are involved, trusting a remote patch can have deadly consequences. If you have the choice, skip OTA and visit a dealer. It takes longer but protects you and your family. So there you have it, 13 features that sounded revolutionary on the showroom floor but quietly cost owners time, money, and peace of mind. If you've been relying on any of these, you can still take back control and avoid the big repairs. Start simple, disable the worst offenders, check your tires manually, and drive like the expert behind the wheel. Drop a comment and tell me which of these features you've already turned off or which ones surprised you the most. If this video helped, hit like, share it with a fellow driver, and subscribe for more no BS car advice that actually saves you money. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe out there.